Hello my friends, and welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures. Today I am at the Chicago Museum of Science and Industry, and behind me is a German submarine. It's pretty interesting. They have this here in the Chicago Museum of Science and Industry. It's a German U-boat that was captured during World War II. And additional part of the museum entry, you can buy additional tours just to go on a tour of the inside of the submarine. So, as I said yesterday, Chicago was pretty good about military discounts, and when I asked at the counter for the entrance, I got free entry to the museum today. So I purchased an additional tour on the submarine. So once again, thank you very much, Chicago, for supporting our military. I'll give you a little quick look around the exhibit outside of the submarine here. They have lots of interesting information about how the Navy went about capturing this submarine, and it is gigantic. It's amazing that this is inside of a museum, that they have this available to tour. So even though I served 26 years in the military and the Navy, I'm still interested in checking things like this out. So,
Enjoying your visit, sir?
yeah. They have a pretty awesome space exploration area here in the museum. Behind me you can see an Apollo 8 module. And over here they had a Mercury module as well. Let me see if I can see it here. And some interesting lunar lander. This is a recreation. Lots of good stuff here if you're into this. And I'm sure we're going to be spending a lot of time here at this museum. We've been here a couple hours already. The sub tour, I've been on 3 of them, and that is the best one I have ever been in. It was really amazing. So if you get a chance, check it out. And this is the outside of the Chicago Museum of Science and Industry. The place is huge. We were in there for several hours. I don't even know if we saw everything, but I kind of quit recording inside because there was so many people around. It was just kind of loud and kind of annoying to be recording in front of everyone, but really nice place, well worth it. And as I said, military got a pretty darn good discount. I got free entrance in there. I don't know if that's always going on, but I appreciated them for that. So after we got done enjoying the museum today, my wife and I were pretty tired. We walked around a lot yesterday. The museum was almost an entire day on itself. So we just did a little bit of driving around Chicago. We saw Soldier Field, we saw Wrigley Field. We went down in front of a place that got some pretty good reviews and ate there. I think it was called Big and Little's Diner. And now we've retired to the room for the night, and talks of the hot tub are in order. So 2 days in Chicago, we're pretty tired. Got to see quite a bit of stuff actually, and still left some other items for the next visit we make here. So thanks a lot for watching my videos. If you're so inclined, please subscribe, please comment, please like. I appreciate all of you. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios.